sorry, I don't know pa nakakarating sa'yo ito minsan nagpa-viral madalas si Kim Chu sa ASAP, yung mga faults niya.
Oh yeah, oo.
Can you explain
Actually,
that?
kanina na brought up na naman yan kasi meron siyang birthday prod na binigyan ko siya ng nakasuspend na bar. Tapos, you know, with Kim Chu, you really have to give her something special at saka talagang mga death-defying acts. And namarkahan na niya yun sa ASAP. Namarkahan na niya yun sa ASAP. Yung mga nangyari na yun, we really cannot explain it, diba?
Masipa ni Encho.
Oo, yeah. Kumbaga, pag nangyari yun, you cannot really explain it right away. But there is a process. Maraming process. Yung pinakahuli niya was yung acrylic.
Yeah, yung
the
acrylic.
acrylic. Yung acrylic kasi came in Friday, which is tama lang naman kasi Friday talaga nag-start ng rehearsal namin. Friday, they worked on the pieza, they rehearsed, it was okay. Comes Saturday evening, nabalik. Saturday evening. And then we had to call the supplier. Sunday, closed. So Sunday, okay. So, tinawagan na lahat ng resources. Sinong pwedeng mag-supply nito, ang acrylic na to? And then I asked, what time will that, kasi mag-open daw yung supplier ng 8 o'clock, but there's one na meron sa bodega. So, Kim, get them both. So, naka-standby, dalawa. Nung dumating na, nasa gap 3 kami. We were supposed to do it gap 3. So, nagbablocking kami sa studio, wala yung acrylic, wala kaming set piece, wala kaming props. Wala. So, dumating, pero majo-jumble talaga. When you do a live show, it's challenging. So, nandun na, gap 3 kami. Okay, kaya ba ang gap 3? We rehearsed, okay naman. Pero it was supposed to be a back walkover. A back walkover is a movement where a dancer does a bridge first, and then magfi-flip na yung dalawang legs. Boom. Yan. So, may help yun. May help yun ang inassign natin doon yung artists. Kasi sila, okay ang rehearsal. Pero pagdating sa backwalk, because the acrylic na nire-rehearse namin, hindi masyado makabend, then I had to revise it. I had to adjust. Kim, do not do it anymore. We don't have time. So I asked the choreographers, adjust the movement. So what we did was just fall, tutulungan siya, hihilahin siya. Had it been like this, the form of her legs like this, it will not be that ugly. It will not look like parang bumagsak siya. No. Kung na-rehearse namin ng maayos and kung naka-close ang legs niya, mako-close niya ang legs niya kung na-rehearse namin ng maayos. Pero hindi. We really lack time. So those are the things na nangyayari during the live show, and those are the things that, people cannot understand. Do we have to explain ourselves to every person? So those are the things that they really cannot understand. And I feel sorry for the show na nabiblame. And I cannot also feel sorry for the followers of Kim na magagalit sila. Sino ba naman ang hindi magagalit? Hindi niyo inaalagaan yung namin, princess namin. But you know what? Just for the record, we take care of not just Kim, but all the artists. Just for the record.
Pero wala namang problem after the fall kay Kim.
Because it wasn't a fall. It was just a bad recovery. Oo. Kumbaga, a bad transition. It became a bad transition. Kasi hindi pantay yung acrylic eh. Hindi pantay yung pagkahawak. Pero sabi ko nga, had it been a good form, kung meron mang mahabang ensayo, then hindi yun mangyayari. I mean, sino gusto mangyari yun? Walang nangyayari. Ang reaction ni Kim sa amin, kanino ba siya nag-express?
Siya kasi lagi It's Reggie Siya lagi nagpa-viral. Ano pa ba yung iba? Nahulog siya ni Enchong? Yes.
Oo. Ano nangyari dyan? Nanghina si Enchong during rehearsal? Meron pa nga kayo hindi nakikita sa rehearsal namin. Merong time, ito hindi nag-viral kasi hindi siya show. Nangyari during the rehearsal. Sa business talaga namin, ito yung mga tinatawag namin occupational hazard. And umagsak, meron siyang act with kambal, di ba? Oo, yung kambal, hawak. Rehearsal, okay. Nung stage rehearsal na, was it toss? At toss, pagbagsak niya, na iba rin yung timing niya, umagsak yung head niya sa floor. But she knows na, kasi, you know, in partnering or group dance na ganyan, na kailangan naman ganyang clicks. Kailangan talaga yan, trust game, teamwork. Hindi pwedeng ako lang or siya lang. And Kim knows the process. Kim knows the process. And we're not shaken kay Kim because we know Kim.
Yeah.
But this is a reminder na, hey, we cannot be complacent with all the process. Okay, nangyayari to ha. So next time, we know better. Acrylic ang props natin. Next time, pa-duplicate natin yan. Para mabali man, alam na natin meron dalawa.
Yung sinasabi, okay, just dance with the music.
Dance with the music, pag may nahulog po.
Okay, dance with the music.
Tuloy nila.
The show must go on.
Tuloy lang.
Go on.
Pero
The show must go on.
tinuloy naman nila.
Yeah.
Tinuloy naman nila. She wasn't even in pain after the performance. But of course, social media will make it
na siya, GIF na siya,
Yeah.
meme.
Tsaka
Hindi ko
yung
napanood.
sensationalized.
Yeah.